Welcome back, Rico Moneybags. Today we're going to be talking about the frogs. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you're part of this community, make sure you guys leave some bullish comments down below. Also, take advantage of the Moneybags Mansion where we'll be hosting AMAs with that link in the description. But today we'll be talking about the frogs. This is a Moneybag alert. I will have this video in the Moneybags Mansion. Good place for you guys to engage. Let everybody know that you guys are active. But I will let everybody know. That's why this video is coming out. I was looking for something late night, doing what us crypto enthusiasts do, and I found the frogs. I really like this. It is on OpenSea and it is on Uniswap. So stay tuned to the end of the video. We'll do some price prediction and technical analysis. But let's go ahead and go through some of these links I got prepared. Like I said, leave some bullish comments down below. This one is sitting right now at $35 million market cap, right around its all-time high. It just pushed up, so it is making a lot of noise right now. It's got 84% up on the daily chart and some very, great looking NFTs that we're going to talk about. But just to get you guys an idea of the frogs, I saw this community. They're active. It's a collection of 10,000 DeFrogs enabled by ERC404, an experimental token standard on Ethereum. We know how these experimental things take off. We've seen it with the BRC20, right, on the Bitcoin network. So this has that same vibe like other ones do, if you ask me. And I see some heavy hitters in the space, and look at these NFTs. We see engagement from the community. That's something that I like to see. I went into the Telegram. They were very active, and of course, as they should be. When you got the charts, looking how they look absolutely amazing. So they have some very sick NFTs to go with this. I mean, just 10,000 of these frogs, and we're going to talk about the floor price and these price predictions. But I just want to give you guys their socials, and that is at the frogs token. Make sure you guys give them a follow. Make sure the bell notifications lit. Let them know Rico Moneybag sent you over there. Make sure you guys are tapped in with me. Let's go ahead to the OpenSea. Check out the collection. You guys seen the thumbnail. I mean, they're looking sick with a floor price at 1.7 ETH. I mean, best offer is 1.5 ETH. So they are holding the floor. This is a community that already is building that foundation of holding. When you see them holding the floor at these prices with ETH, and the bull run not all the way in. We're in the bull market, but we're not in the bull run. Best believe, I truly believe the craze of NFTs is going to come back like crazy. You want to start to position yourself now. Don't wait till you hear all about it, right? When the markets are greedy, be fearful. When the markets are fearful, be greedy. Right now, I know the markets are pumping and we're all excited, but we're still not all the way there into that bull run as far as prices breaking all-time highs with Ethereum and BTC. And when these things happen, all that money is going to spill into projects like this, the frog. So make sure you guys keep making noise, stay active. Let's get to these price predictions, technical analysis. This video gets to over 100 likes, for sure you guys will see more videos on the channel on the frogs. So the more active you guys are on this video, the more videos we will be doing on the frogs. Help this go as crazy as it can go. Let's go ahead and talk about these prices. So like I said, $35 million market cap. Liquidity is locked for 6 months. Yeah, 6 months. $1.4 million market 1.4 million in the lock liquidity. And overall, extremely active with $23 million in trading volume. So this is something that we don't want to sleep on when we're looking at potential billion-dollar projects. I don't want to sleep on this bull run. I know that this is the time where we start to position ourselves. Yes, there might be pullbacks. There's no big deal. But when the bull run kicks off all the way, where do you want to be positioned? Do you want to wake up and they're already on the moon and you're trying to catch the next flight there? Or are you already trying to go to sleep with your moon boots on, with your air tank next to your bed? So the minute it's takeoff, you're ready to go. And this is the time that you get set up to ready to go, right? So we're looking at some support levels. We're going to identify these on the channel. You guys know we talk about support and resistance. So we got the support level right here, right at this $2,300 mark, and the all-time high at 3,900. So that's, that's pretty epic when you look at the floor price of these NFTs and you look at where they're holding at right now. So you guys can buy this on both right now. This is pretty epic. So let's go ahead and scroll down. Let's see what we got going on transactions as far as it's going. Yeah, so you can see the transaction. You can see them holding the floor. You see whales buying it up. You see some other buys right there. Price 3,500 right there. Buys are coming through when it comes to this one right here. So let's go ahead and break the time chart down, see where we're holding. And I love that we can do this on a chart now. This is next level for us. So our floor is at that 2,300, all-time high 4,200 for the frogs. This is just next level stuff. So let me know how you guys feel about the frogs. If you guys want to see more about the frogs, if you guys want to talk about them raising that floor price, if the volume is going to pick up, $23 million in volume, that's pretty good already. I think it can get higher though. Let's talk about the support and resistance on the comments. Let me know if you guys think we're going to be breaking all-time highs, if we're going to keep pushing. I think this project has the potential with the active community that it has and with the volume that it has. Volume is king, so we're always going to be talking about that on the channel. So until next time, you guys know what it is. Like, comment, subscribe, and continue to come back and experience the abundance of money with me. Until next time, you guys know what it is. Later.